Hey everyone, today I'm opening the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for Galaxy Note 9. It's a military standard. It's passed the Cnet drop test also. It's a dual layer TPU polycarbonate, and as you can see, it comes with a screen protector, 360-degree protection. As you can see, it's pretty rugged for your Galaxy Note 9. So let's put the Note 9 and see what happens. Comes with an installation guide. So I've just taken my Note 9 and let's peel the cover off. As you can see, the Note 9 comes with its own nice little cover. So I'll slide the phone into the front case first. As you can see. And I'll make sure the phone has actually gone in from all the corners. And then I'll put the back case on it. As you can see, the phone has actually gone in. And once it's done, of course, you need to remove those smudges it's created, and then there it is. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel, Auckland Desi, and I'll go take a cloth and then clean the smudges I've put on the phone. Thank you.